So grass is just curved lines, and you can go in different directions. And all we need to do is create a background of blades of grass. Some of your blades can connect. Some can just kind of float. You want your whole paper to be full of blades of grass. Now, you don't want so many that we can't see any of the black paper anymore, because that's not how Andy Warhol worked. We could still see some of the black in the background. And some can overlap each other. They can go on top of each other. And some can be big, and some can be small. Just like that. That is our grass background. So my grass is dry, and it has become very, very bright, just like Andy Warhol's. And now we have to create the flowers. So I have a box full of different colors for you to use. I have 4 different colors. You can use one of each color. You can use all 4 flowers, do them all the same color, because Andy Warhol did that. You could do 2 flowers the same color, and then 2 more flowers of the same color. Or you could do 2 flowers of the same color, then take 2 other colors. It is up to you. I am going to do 1 of each. So I'm going to take a yellow, a violet, a turquoise, and a pink. And your colors might be different, but this is what I have right now. And I am such a nice teacher, I made stencils for you of the flower. Now, if you want to go ahead and try and draw your own flower, I will not stop you. So if I'm going to draw a flower, I would need to make it pretty big because I'm going to have to cut this out. Curved line, curved line, curved line, curved line. So kind of think of it like maybe a cloud. That could be one. If you want to trace the stencil, lay it down, hold it very tight, and you draw on top of the blue paper. You do not draw on the actual stencil. You draw on the paper right around the stencil. That way when you take it off, you can see the lines. Okay? So I have 2 flowers made. And I will make 2 more. Okay, I only need 4 flowers because that is how much Andy Warhol used, and he used them in very bright colors. So now my job is to cut these flowers out and to start gluing. So when we cut on a curved line, we move our paper, not our scissors. So I'm going to come right in, and whenever that line curves, I move my paper. So I'm using this hand to move it, not the hand that has my scissors. My scissors, if you notice, are staying in the exact same spot. once you've cut your flower out, go ahead and recycle your scraps. So now I have to glue, but what I want you guys to pay attention to, you can see I didn't do the best cutting job right here. I got off my lines a little bit. I don't want to see these lines. So what I would do is I would put the glue on this side of my paper. That way when I flip it over to glue it down, you will not see any of the pencil marks. So you need to twist open your glue bottle. Remember, it needs to be raised up a little bit here. That's the way you know it's open. If it's clogged, bring it to me. I will try to unclog it. Mine's a little clogged right now. And let's see if this will work. Okay, so you want to create a frame. So you come in a little bit from the edge. And you just draw around your shape, just like that. And I'm going to put 3 dots in the middle to help hold it down. And now I got to get my grass back in front of me. And I want 4 flowers in every corner. So 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Okay, we'll start down here. Same thing, there's some pencil marks right here, so I'm going to glue on this side because I don't want to see the pencil marks. I'm not putting them way in the corners because then the middle will be too empty. So I'm bringing them in just a little bit from the corners. Oops, my glue's running out a little bit. Dot, dot, dot. Okay, close your glue bottle, put it back in your tray, put your scissors back in your tray. And now what you're going to do, you're going to take a black marker and you're going to make the little lines in the center just like Warhol did. So all he did, 1 line, 2 lines, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are complete with our Andy Warhol Splendid Flower series.